up, guys? It's Annie Dem. This is a different video. I'll be doing a bike check. It's not my usual videos. So yeah, this is the 2020 Carrera Vengeance. Just bought it today, and I'll be doing some bike check. Okay, so first let's start off with the wheels. So you got 27.5. It says here 27.5 alloy wheels with a disc brake, which is mechanical, and comes with Carrera tires. So yeah, pretty nice. And now the gearing. So there's the gearing. Your 8-speed at the back and 2-speed at the front. And you got the Shimano cranks. You still got the Shimano Atlas derailleur, and you got this. I don't know what derailleur the front derailleur is. Okay, second, these pedals. You got the Welgo Carrera pedals. Yeah. So now let's move up to the frame. So the frame size I've gone for is a 16-inch, as you see there. 16-inch frame. It's aluminium. This whole bike weighs around 14 kilograms, so not too bad for a bike. So in the last Carrera Vengeance, which I own, the last one, the seat was terrible. Well, the seat's not bad. I don't think I'll change. I might change this out for a Mafia no limit seat. But yeah, the stem. Okay, the stem. So this, it's not too long. It's quite short, so it's good. And I'm pretty sure you got wider bars than the original Vengeance. I don't know how wide they are, but they're okay. Okay, so here you've got the Shimano trigger shifters. For the back derailleur, you do press this one to go up, and then press this one to go down. And for the front, it's opposite way around, so this one to go up. So yeah, that goes up, and this goes down. Okay, moving on to the grips. These are new Carrera Vengeance grips, new ones. Yeah, quite nice. Okay, next off we got the suspension. These are preloads, so they're not like those like proper suspensions. But you've got 100mm of travel, which is okay, but not bad. So yeah, memory foam seat. Yeah. Moving on to the brakes. So the brakes on here are mechanical disc brakes by Shimano again. I don't know why it even says Shimano V-brake on the front. You don't even V-brakes there. Disc brakes, but yeah, I think that's a computer error. So yeah, that's the bike check of the Carrera Vengeance. Now, bad things about the Vengeance. There's nothing actually really bad about the Vengeance. It's good for the price. Price is around like £325 on Halfords. If you want one, I'll link one into the description. So yeah, this is better than the old Vengeance. However, the old Vengeance has 3 gears on the front. This one only has 2. So yeah, this is overall good bike for the price. Yeah, peace.